the way to go, but probably. Oh, shit. Shit. I'm in trouble, over. I'm in waterlogged, over. Okay guys, I am finally ready to dissect the 2020 KTM TPI, the 300xc model. And I got the shop all clean, ready to go. Counters clean. For my OCD, this is critical, guys. Lots of counter space. So yeah, the bike went under the water. Check out the clip right now. All right guys, we're continuing on the trail. What's this trail called?
Kane Creek.
Well, it's the Kane Creek and the single track, yeah. This little waterfall section. Cool. Cool. Where's the trail go? No. No, that's not where I want to go. The way to go, but probably. Oh, shit. Shit. I'm in trouble, over. I'm in waterlogged, over. Help! Help! Hey! Hey! Help! 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 Oh. Hello! 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 Help! Hello! 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 Hey guys! Can you come help me? Can you help me? Can you come? I drowned my bike! Okay, update guys. We're here with Mark. Thanks for seeing my flare.
We saw your flare and came for help.
Yeah. So that swamp right there, guys, that thing was like 4
right
feet.
Here or right
no,
there?
up there.
Oh, right there.
That was 4 feet deep.
Wow.
So we pulled the tank and about to pull the spark plug and see if we can cycle some water out. Maybe it's dry, maybe it's not. Didn't want to destroy the engine on a guess. So the spark plug is dry at the tip and just fuel seemed to pump out, so I turned it off in time.
Yes, you did.
I hit the kicker, I hit the stop switch. Ringing out the air filter, it's just the filter clogged and then I turned it off. And I got a new spark plug to put in. So hopefully Q-Man and Marcel aren't worried about me. Okay guys, new spark plug coming in. You want to come around here? What's your name, son?
William.
William. So you can see this right here. Oh, there's a little water at the, it's just dirt and stuff at the top. I don't know. We pumped it over and nothing came out. Should I show again? Just fuel coming out of this side. All right, so new spark plug going in. Bam! Yeah, not so good, huh? Stood the bike up on the rear tire like a wheelie. Started it up, ran all of the water out the rear muffler, and the bike came right back to life and ran perfectly normal. But because of being in the water, I got to consider bearings, linkage bearings, wheel bearings, swing arm bearings, and yeah, steering head bearings possibly. So just got to check, re-grease, clean, whatever. It's amazing the ECU went completely submerged along with the battery and everything else, and still worked. What has me most concerned is just cleaning up the throttle body, the key and throttle body now, and the whole assembly for the air intake box, and yeah, and remove the skid plate, clean everything, make some adjustments. I actually have some parts to put on, like steering head risers from a company, and the clearance just got a little tight. I'm gonna move this whole thing forward like a few millimeters, just by essentially moving this piece forward slightly, and yeah, make sure it all gets dried out, and that's about it. Let's see the damage underneath. Not too much, just sliding on some rocks pretty much. So we'll do a nice full inspection on that and get everything cleaned up. Oh yeah, and I want to remove the steering stops in here, which means then this triple, or the clamp that normally falls right in there, as you see, it has a slot for it. Well, you can see the top of the fork, maybe you can, is really close. So I got to trim this part of the radiator guard right here. So I'm going to remove this whole top section right here so I can have more steering radius. Okay, quick update. Removed the fairings. Yeah. Oh, it's cold, guys, but I'm kind of got in a rhythm. There's that ECM, all the connectors. Just been cleaning it with AMSOIL metal protector. I got a lot of cleaning to do. You can see dirt's just everywhere. All the little grimes. Pulled the tank, and it's hitting all the plugs. What's really neat is in the kit. You see that? That's a plug right there. And it just snaps right in, just like the normal snap it uses, so that's really cool. There's the other side right here. So yeah, the KTM that comes with a plug for the tank and for the fuel line side. And you can see all that dirt in there. Lots of dirt. So lots of cleaning to do before I can pull the airbox off. So when you pull the ECU up, guys, the ECU is just held on with these little rubber tabs. You take a look at the ECU that was completely submerged. Notice they have sealant coming out of the case. The case is sealed. You can see it like right in there. That's an example. So that is why the bike continued to run. The ECU is nicely sealed. And then here's all the connectors. And take a picture of that so I remember how they went. But essentially, this is the diagnostic one. And they just kind of come up like that. So yeah, I should be able to clean under there and access stuff pretty good. Making progress, making progress. That battery is tiny. It's even smaller than the Shirai ones. Or maybe not, I'll have to compare. But really impressed, guys. Check out the fuse box, completely dry in there. It's a rubber seal all the way. It locks right on. A couple spare fuses in there too. Every plug that I've checked has been dry, and I just threw metal protector in there for the future, which displaces moisture, displaces water, if there ever was gonna get water. And then, you know, so on. So I gotta check this one next and then move on to it. Okay, everybody, I am done for this evening. It's getting really cold in here. Can't believe I lasted this long. I haven't even had lunch yet. Just been surviving on coffee, dark roast. As you can see, I've been cleaning, and I pulled all the connectors. I pulled all these connectors apart. That is the tip over sensor. It says up, pulled that apart. So far everything has been watertight. Really nice. And tomorrow we're gonna get into this connector, put another new spark plug in. I wonder where that map switch is. Which one was that? Just a little guy. It's hiding somewhere in here. This one right here. This. No, maybe not. It's a dead end. One of these is you plug it in. Or no, that's probably it. Yeah, you unplug that and it puts it in a secondary map. Yeah, you know, like it could save energy maybe. We'll see when I put it back. Ow, now the pipe's really hot.
Yeah, I know.
Essentially, not a fuel map, but ignition. It changes, it's gonna retard the ignition, I believe, a little bit and give you a little mellower hit for, you know, trials stuff. Might have been good in Moab, but probably not. More power is always better. Okay guys, I just pulled the plug. As you can see, the bike doesn't idle as well. You have to turn up the idle. It retards it and gives you more engine brake. And a softer hit. Down low, it's more dull. Yeah, it's on the bottom, it's duller. It just dulls out, that's what it is. You notice it now, going back down. You can actually get a map switch too. And do that, so. More like a smoother running street. It's not as fierce. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Sharp rock. It's probably easier on the body when you throw it, or it just doesn't kick your ass. That's why it'd be better for like wet conditions or low traction conditions. Well, wet could be more traction on dirt, just less on rock. Maybe this would be better for going out to Vancouver and nut style, a mountain bike. Whoa, it's gonna rocket me. Anyways, guys, out into the cold. Oh, I gotta put the bicycle away. Woo, it's chilly. Oh, into the dark trailer. For those that don't know much about what I do, this is the trailer, a whole nother set of tools in the trailer, as you can see. Tires, lots of cool stuff. Boots, wash the boots. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Irnie. Like, subscribe, share. Catch you guys tomorrow. Peace. Right, another day, day 2, guys, working on the KTM. All right, I am excited, guys. I got exactly 2 hours on the meter. Following these guys at the big old 40, we got 34s on there. Woo! Let's go. Beautiful. Look at the sun dropping. Sup? Filming from the bird's eye view, guys.
maybe this is a good time. Whoa. Say like and subscribe, hit that bell button on the YouTube. Check out the Patreon channel for more of this stuff. Oh yeah, first little obstacle. Anyway, we are on Hell's Revenge, guys. I am at the top of Hell's Gate. Look at this, jump over the wall. Whoop, I'm gonna fall down and, oh, well, this is a little sketchy because it's so angled. Oh, and it's slippery in here. That's the only sketchy part, you get stuck in the funnel. Alright, so he'll be coming down here. The question is, what do I do here? Oh, no, I gotta see it. Gotta run. Alright, let's just do it. Clutch ready. Whoa! 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 Made it, guys. Backwards, Hell's Gate. First time on the 300. Well, let's just go back the other way. Look at that. It's way quicker. All the way around. Okay, there we go. Down the backside of the Hell's Gate. Just see if I can stop. Brakes are awesome on the KTM. There's this guy. There's man, Marcel two-stroke. Okay, first gear, yeah, let's do it. Oh, this is really sketchy right there. Oh shit, this is harder than I remember. How did I do it on the RMZ? Whoa, whoa. Where the hell did he go?